Hey everybody, I'm Pam. I lead our retail store in Abbot, Kinney in Venice, Los Angeles. Today, we're going to show you how to make a perfect latte using fellow Espresso Series 1, whether you're a beginner or a pro. What we'll be using today: a 10-ounce pitcher that comes with the set, and if you would like to make a larger drink, meaning more milk, you can also use our 12-ounce Eddy pitcher. We have our knockbox, we have our tamper, our tamp pad, our scale, and also our 11-ounce latte glass. Today, I'm going to guide you through Make a Drink function, and we're going to select a latte. It's asking us for 18 grams of coffee. I already have that here for us. So now, we'll grab the portafilter, put it on the scale, put that coffee in, make sure it's 18 grams, which it is, and now we'll proceed to tamp. When we're tamping, we want to make sure that we are giving it a flat and even tamp with a good amount of pressure. We also want to make sure that we're tamping on a flat surface, grabbing the tamper, flat and even grounds. Putting that portafilter in where the white dot is and swinging it to the right to the black dot. We grab our glass, put it underneath our portafilter, and we pull our shot. With Espresso Series 1, you don't have to worry about whether or not your shot is under-extracted or over-extracted. Intelligent shot feedback will display whether or not you have to go coarser or finer on your grind. Now that our shot is done, we're gonna go right away into steaming. Our screen is telling us to prepare 6 ounces of milk for dairy. Now what if our milk is not dairy? Scroll the wheel, change milk type, and select your choice of milk. Espresso Series 1 optimizes steaming for your milk of choice. Now we're gonna grab our pitcher and pour 6 ounces of milk. There's a marker inside the pitcher, and all we do is pour to the 6-ounce mark. The machine's Steam Wand has a temperature sensor that auto-stops at the latte's ideal milk temperature. The latte's suggested temperature is at 150 to optimize the milk's sweetness. When we're steaming milk, the texture we want is shiny, silky, and glossy. Once we're done steaming, return Steam Wand to default position to auto-purge. So when you're done steaming and you see big bubbles on the surface of your milk, all you need to do is cover the pitcher with your hand, tap the bottom of the pitcher on a flat surface, look until the bubbles are gone, give it a little swirl, give my espresso a swirl, and we start to pour. Perfect little heart in the center. But now let's go give it a taste. Perfect temperature, perfect texture, sweet and creamy. Over time, this guided flow will teach you how to make a latte on your own. Always be practicing.